Now that we talk about the timing to ask for reviews, let's look at different ways we can ask for reviews and see what are the ones that they can bring better results. So on your left, you have an example of an application called Radar US, and this is a pop-up that comes within the application asking for review. And as an output, there are three different options. The first button is Rate Radar US. That means if I touch it, I'm going to end up on the App Store, and I'm going to be able to review the application without having to search for the application, which is good. The second one is Remind Me Later. It's probably good if the person is busy doing something else and they don't mind reviewing the application, but not right now. So that means that you can remind them maybe the next time they're using the application. And the last option is No Thanks, which means you're not interested in doing it and don't ask me again. And this is good because it provides some flexibility. You show the notification, the pop-up, but you give options to the user. And so you can do that programmatically using Xcode, the language that you use for iOS, either Objective-C or Swift. It's easy to do. But there are also some tools that help you do that. There are open source tools. So one is App iRater and iRate. So those are very similar, and they allow you to add just a piece of code and few lines, and you control when you're going to be having this pop-up and how often you're going to be showing the pop-up also. The link to those tools are in the notes that are going to be within this section. But there is another way to ask for reviews, and the other way is a two-step process instead of one step. So here the Apple app is called Quakes, and as you can see, we're not asking directly for review here. So the app is asking, do you love Quakes? And so it's up to you to say yes or no. But like for people saying no, what it does is it's asking for feedback. And this way you're going to be, if you're the owner of the application Quakes, you're going to receive feedback, probably negative feedback, on why and why that person doesn't like the app and how you can improve it, which is great. Because this way they're not going to be posting it into the App Store. They're going to tell you about it directly. And if they like the application, then you can be prompting them to review the application the same way the other we were doing on the left with the three options also. And so you would think that because it's a two-step process, it may not be as effective, but actually it's the opposite. You get better reviews when you do that. Why? Because the fact that you ask people first whether they like an application or not, if they say yes, I think maybe psychologically they kind of feel bad not giving you a review because you just said you liked it, and so they've seen that you have from looking at the results, it looks like you get more reviews than just asking for reviews directly. And again, you can code this within your application, this flow, or you can use a tool called Apptentive. It's free to use, but then I think if you have a lot of volume, you end up paying something. But I've been using it in one of my app, and it's been fine. But it's that's one way to get review in a two-step process.